Yo, what up, fam? Today was plumbing day. We had the plumbers come in around 9 a.m. They installed the pump, they installed the pipes, and I believe it's actually functioning because I saw them earlier testing it. They put caps on everything so it doesn't fill up the pool. But yeah, they did. These guys work fast, man. Of course, they're professionals, right? And especially during these times where people are doing a lot of renovations to their homes, I could only imagine like the speed and efficiency in which these guys work. But kudos to them. They came in, the plumbers, I think it was just two guys today, and they was able to put up all the pipes and get the pumps running. So now again, we gotta wait on operations to give us the next step. I believe this is phase 3. So phase 1 was the pre-grading, like basically getting everything removed from the backyard and and softening the ground. And then phase 2 was the excavation, digging the hole. Phase 3 is plumbing. Now they're gonna get some wires and some cement. Look at Brooklyn. This is the first time she's been outside in the yard today. Took her on a walk though, but man, she's having some trouble like adjusting here, man. I feel bad, but she'll get over it. Hopefully we'll teach her how to swim. I don't know how to swim yet, so I'm going to be learning how to swim in this pool. I tried taking swim classes, but I figured that I'll just attend YouTube University, right? Because that's where I learned most of the things. So I'm gonna figure out how to swim on YouTube. Shout out to YouTube, yo. Teach me everything I know, man. And hopefully the youth get to learn a lot from there. And shout out to the creators too, that's putting in that work and spreading the love, spreading the knowledge out there. But yeah, we're going to be waiting on the next step, the next phase on what's to come. I'm super excited. If you don't follow me on Instagram. I shoot up the stories out there for the fam. Like, my actual family is eager to see how this all turns out because they too are excited, because hopefully they come visit us during the pool season. That's about late May, June. And get their swim on, man. I'm hyped, yo. I'm hyped. But yeah, these guys work fast. They do a hell of a great job, and they just come in, put their heads down, and get to work. No lollygagging back here. They just get after it. So if you guys in AZ, any my AZ residents or AZ viewers, if you guys are in need of pools, the proof is in the pudding. So I'm just going to show you the process, day in, day out, and yeah, report it to you live here. So if you guys are in need of a pool, I'll recommend Desert Soul Landscape and Design. So they're super dope, and they make the process super easy, but there are packed with homes. So we had to wait at least, I would say, 6 months just to get a consultation with them. Not even, so once, I think that might be a selling tactic too, because once we actually got in for the consultation and got the quote, we was like, yo, let's just do it, pull the trigger, and I'm happy, right? Brooklyn, not so much. What you got there, girl? Ball? Go get it. Brooklyn not so happy, but she'll be all right. Anyway, quick update on how the pool's coming along. I'll keep you guys posted as the process continues to develop, all right? Holla back. Peace.